Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a true 360 rig. Pick stereoscopic if you need depth. Set the camera on a sturdy tripod or a rig that matches your planned motion path. Once set, lock exposure and white balance manually so stitches match between lenses. This ensures seamless seams later. Record a short test clip and check framing in the companion app. Make sure horizon and nodal points are level. When the test looks good, start capturing your primary footage with consistent movement and pacing. Once you have raw clips, stitch them using the camera vendor software or a dedicated stitcher for manual seam control. This reduces parallax errors. You then sync multi-track audio, use a clapper or timecode, and import ambisonic sound for spatial placement. Next, edit in a VR-capable NLE, color match lenses, stabilize shaky frames, and trim carefully while preserving orientation cues. Make flat cuts or gentle transitions. Sudden reorientation disorients viewers. Export using equirectangular projection at target resolution and maintain the original frame rate and bitrate. You finish by exporting an equirectangular video at the camera's native resolution and embedding correct 360 metadata so players recognize it. Then test playback on the target headset and mobile 360 apps. Look for stitching seams, audio localization, and judder. If you spot issues, restitch with adjusted control points, resync audio, or rerun lens calibration. Codec incompatibility can also cause playback artifacts, so use recommended codecs and containers. Finally, iterate. Small fixes often resolve major presentation problems before final delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.